Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove your Lexus IS250 front bumper, step by step. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a 10mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and a panel clip removal tool. It's also a good idea to have a small container for all the bolts and clips you'll be removing. If your car has sensors, consider disconnecting the battery for safety. Let's get started. Now, let's begin with the top section. Use your panel clip tool or flathead screwdriver to remove the plastic clips holding the radiator cover and upper engine shroud. There are typically several of these. Next, turn your front wheels to gain better access to the fender liner. You'll find a few clips and a 10mm bolt here. Remove these, then gently pull back the fender liner to reveal any additional hidden fasteners behind it. Repeat this process on both sides. Moving underneath the vehicle, you'll find several 10mm bolts along the bottom edge of the bumper. There are usually about 6 of these. Carefully remove each one. This is also the time to disconnect any electrical components. If your Lexus IS250 has fog lights or parking sensors, gently unplug their wiring harnesses. Take your time to ensure all connections are safely detached to avoid any damage when the bumper comes off. With all fasteners and electrical connections removed, the bumper is ready to come off. Starting from one side, gently pull the bumper outwards from the fender. You'll hear clips disengage as it releases from its retaining brackets. It's highly recommended to have a second person help support the bumper as you work your way around, preventing it from dropping. Once free, carefully set it aside. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring every clip and bolt is securely fastened.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.